although we've been hit with some negative sentiment here on the near term, we actually had a nice little day, nice little bounce day across the market. Both BTC and Shiba Inu starting to make some moves to the upside. Hopefully this obviously continues. We saw nice bounces off the bottom of their trend. This bullish pennant again that was playing out is still intact. You can see BTC currently sitting at about 66K, Shiba Inu sitting above 4027, showing some strength. All right, and both of these again flashing DCA opportunities on the charts. You can see both of those right here, possibly a great place to add to your bag. If you guys are not, again, using my indicator, definitely check it out in the description below. I see there's been some people signing up, taking advantage of these tools that are here for us. Again, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Feel free to check that out, guys. Now, we had, again, I would call it a fine day. It was a fine day across the market. Now, the interesting thing is we saw something from institutional money we have really never seen before. And this was a day where GBTC selling was actually outpaced by somebody else. Now, the question is this a cause for concern? Is this going to be a consistent theme? So what we saw was actually ARK Investments actually unloaded $87.5 million worth of BTC versus GBTC's $81.9 million. So that's the first time in the charts that this has ever happened. Now, the question is this going to become more of a recurring theme? When we look at ARK Investments, what they've been doing, actually on April 1st, Monday, they had an outflow day as well of $0.3 million. So not a ton there. Now, remember, these do move and coincide with some of the BTC movement in price. So there are times where you will see some of these firms unload when BTC price does go a bit negative, when we do have drop days. Now, at the same time, does this mean that they may unload more? Maybe. All right. If we take a look at actually the fees, for example, ARK Investments is the third highest fee that exists from spot ETFs. It's possible that they could have just flowed to somewhere else. We never really know, right? We don't know the logic or the thoughts behind this. Now, I will say this, even though that happened, even though there was selling by two entities in a large way yesterday, we still ended up with a net positive day, $40.3 million. So not a small amount. It's nice to see actually us taking a step back in the right direction after having a negative start to the week. And this may possibly helping contribute to our late day bounce here. Now, the question is retail going to get back on board and push things up? Well, I mean, right now, I would say that for over a month here, we have been holding this structure. I would think that right now we're going to try to continue to hold this structure. It's possible we come up, retest, bounce back down. It's possible we do the same thing with SHIB or even go up and test the top of this trend. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But this is definitely something to keep an eye on. Keep an eye on and see if institutional money is starting to change their trend a little bit, if we start to see a little bit more unloading, more attempted essentially suppression of the market leading to the halving, or if they possibly start to throttle things up. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts on this, but have a great start to your day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.